What do you do when you're expecting an important delivery, but you can't be there to receive it? It might be something valuable, or something that can't be left out in the rain. How can you make sure that your parcel is safe from theft and there when you need it, without having to wait in all day or go and collect it yourself from the depot? Penn Elcom has the answer. It's called the Parcel Box. The Parcel Box has a two-stage anti-theft protection system. The courier simply places your delivery in the top, and when they close the hatch, your items slide gently to the secure storage compartment below. Your packages can only be retrieved by unlocking the cabinet and can't be accessed through the entry hatch. Unlike some other systems, our parcel boxes don't need a power supply or complex installation. Our products are super tough and durable. They're built to last, with interior gasket sealing and a strong anti-weather powder coat to protect them from the elements. Our parcel boxes are available in 2 sizes and a range of colours, and are ideal for use at home, as well as offices, apartments or commercial buildings. Find out more on our website or contact us for a free, no-obligation demonstration.